Hello everyone, welcome to AP Microeconomics, How to Get a 5, Chapter 1. This is a video in a series of videos that will go over the material and introduce the material that will be on the AP Microeconomics exam. So let's get started. The layout of the videos is going to consist of, first, I'm going to go over the material, which a lot of times consists of going over a model or an economic curve. Second, I'm going to go over example problems that relate to the material. And third, I'm going to post up practice problems. And in the next video, I'm going to post up the answers and the solutions so that you all can have some time to digest and look at the material before seeing the answer. Chapter 1, we have 3 terms here that you should know. The first one is scarcity. This is just a definition, so understand the meaning and you'll be okay. The word is scarcity, and it means all resources are scarce, which means they are in limited supply. This leads to our second term, trade-off. If I have 10 pieces of paper, I can make 10 paper airplanes or 10 paper cranes, but I am unable to make 10 paper airplanes and 10 paper cranes. So there is a trade-off. If I make 10 paper cranes, then I have to make 0 paper airplanes since I don't have 20 pieces of paper. So that's trade-off. And that leads to our third term, which is opportunity cost. So, in the same example, the opportunity cost of making 1 paper airplane is 1 paper crane. The opportunity forgone is the paper crane. Because if I make 10 paper airplanes, then I can't make 10 paper cranes. So the cost of making the 10 paper airplanes is the 10 paper cranes. So for example, when you have $10 in your pocket and your friend is asking, should we go watch a movie or should we go to a restaurant? And you decide to go watch a movie. In economics, the cost of that movie is not being able to go to the restaurant. Since if you decide to go watch a movie, you can't go to a restaurant. So that's economic cost. That's the opportunity cost forgone, meaning you've given up going to the restaurant in order to go watch a movie. So that is opportunity cost. Okay, practice problem. You have 1 hour of free time after school. You can either work on homework, work at local gas station for 1 hour, earn $6, or work at a restaurant, earn $8. What is the opportunity cost if you decide to do homework? Assuming you would work at a restaurant if you didn't do homework. Okay. So in our movie theater, and restaurant example, you had a decision to make. Either you can go watch a movie or go to a restaurant since you only had $10 and you could only make a choice of going to one or the other. In this case, you have 3 options. You can either do homework, work at a gas station, or work at a restaurant. And the instructions say that you would work at a restaurant if you didn't have homework. So your second best option is working at a restaurant and earning $8. So in this case, what is the opportunity cost of doing homework? So you decide to do homework. That means your second option is the opportunity cost. And the second option is working at a restaurant. And working at the restaurant, you would earn $8. So the answer is B, $8.